Good morning and welcome to Hidden Gems. My name is Arden Thomas. I'm the Syncom Smalltalk Product Manager. The purpose of Hidden Gems is to make Syncom Smalltalk developers aware of useful abilities in the product that may not be obvious. Hopefully you know about them, but if you don't, I think you'll always find it valuable. This Hidden Gems begins a series about value models. Value models are an extremely powerful concept and they can do amazing things. Even if you're very familiar with value models, I implore you to watch these series and even participate by contributing something if you know about a great use of value models. I also hope to introduce some abilities that you may not be aware of, such as making an application itself a value model and how that can be really powerful. Of course, anything you contribute, you will get credit. Please send them to athomas@syncom.com. Let's move forward. So the power of value models is value models basically hold or provide an object by simply sending the message value. Very simple, very powerful, and value models let subscribers know, anybody who is registered in interest, know whenever the value changes, and that's very useful. So you can access the object that a value model holds simply by sending the message value. So value models are the tinker toy pieces facilitating modularity, reused, and very simple and robust construction. And I'll show you examples of that. One of the things I like about value models is it gives you simplicity where you want it and need it, and also gives you the opportunity to compartmentalize complexity. And we'll give examples of that. So why do I call them tinker toy pieces? Well, value models can be connected and they can be stacked. And again, we'll give you examples in the series. And this can be really powerful and simplify construction and application construction very much. Another thing that I like, and I'll show some examples of this, something called Locality of Reference. And basically, it's a way, rather having things spread out everywhere, if you can have somewhere where you can kind of see the architecture, the overview, the key points in one place, that's Locality of Reference. And I'll show you how value models can facilitate that and show you examples of it. So with that said, let's look at a simple example. And this will be the architecture. Basically, we'll have an interface with an input field that can show a number and a slider. And both of these use a value holder. And we'll call that value holder number holder. And we'll see that these widgets automatically register an interest. And we'll be able to see how that functions. Okay, so the example, I'm going to show you a slider application. Let me show you what that looks like. Here we have an application with an input field, which you can find right here, and a slider, which you can find right here. If I select it, you can see the property is, the aspect is number holder, and the type it holds is number. For the slider, number holder starts at 0, stops at 100, steps by 1. If we go to the application, we can go to the initialize method, and I have number holder as 0 as value. Now sending an object the message as value creates a value holder. Let me inspect this here. I get a value holder holding 0, and right now I've got no dependents. The dependents are other objects who want to be notified when the value changes. Value holder is the most straightforward type of value model. So let's see what happens when we open up this application. Indeed, we get where you can move the slider and it changes it. Basically, it's changing that number holder. The number holder is broadcasting that it changed. We can do it here too. We put 99 in here, press enter, and you can see this reflects. So both of these receive change notification from the number holder when it changes. And that is an example of the value holder, which is the simplest type of value model. We'll get much more into more advanced ones and more interesting ones. Next time we'll talk about the temperature app, which, let's open that up, allows us to change Celsius or Fahrenheit and have it automatically recalculated for the other Celsius or Fahrenheit. Any questions, or if you want any of the code, please send me an email at athomas@syncom.com. Otherwise, till next time, good luck using Smalltalk.